Hey Jobins, what's going on? This is another episode of Cooking with Brenden. This one's gonna be a little different. We got, and if you want to come over here, babe, the Crockpot, and we're gonna actually have the Crockpot on high for 4 hours, and we're gonna throw all these nifty ingredients in. We got our potatoes. So I got two russet potatoes that I chopped up going in there, and then we got as well some onions, Jobins, that we're gonna throw in there too. Little bit of onions. And then we're gonna throw in, I've got 3 cloves of garlic here that we're also gonna throw in. We can't forget about our cream cheese. I got 4 ounces of cream cheese. You could do 8 ounces if you wanna do 8 bowls. We're just doing 4 bowls, a little less serving. What else we have is we have our heavy whipping cream. So I got about a cup of heavy whipping cream that we're also gonna pour in there. And then on top of that, can't forget the chicken broth. I got a cup of chicken broth as well. So low sodium, want that to be in there too. And then it's 4 ounces of cheese. We're gonna get a little crazy and just kind of guess. And then we're gonna hope that it's 4 ounces that I'm throwing in here. Oh, let's just throw in a lot. Maybe a little more than 4 ounces, but that's gonna be okay. And then we're gonna do black pepper and salt. One sec, Jobins. Oh no, don't waste your pepper. We're gonna throw in some pepper in there too now. And then, coming over here, remember to have your salt charged up, because my amazing fiance gave me some good salt shakers, but I'm using the hand crank one because I didn't charge it. That's on me, Jobins. So we're gonna add some salt in here too. And like I said, now we're gonna put the bowl, we're gonna put the lid, I should say, over the crock pot. We're gonna plug the crock pot in, and then we're gonna put that baby on high for 4 hours. And Jobins, stay tuned. Okay, Jobins, just a heads up, I got a little excited. The fiance was filming today, maybe it got a little more zesty with the recording, but I messed up. We shouldn't have thrown the cream cheese in already, or that cheddar cheese. But, you know, we all make mistakes. Hopefully it still comes out amazing. Stay tuned, Jobins. 4 hours. We'll see what's going on. Okay, second update, Jobins. What are we making? Irish potato soup. No, it's not. Babe, what is this?
It's not Irish.
It's just potato soup. Some potato soup. That's what we're making, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, Jobins, it has been 4 hours. We are going to turn off the crock pot now. Ooh. As you can see, look at that. That looks so good. We have a immersion blender here that we're gonna use to cut this. One sec, guys. Let's see to do. Ready, guys? Jobins, that is our potato soup. I appreciate you guys staying with me on that. I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit, but damn, that looks good. Okay, Jobins, as you can see, our creamy potato soup is finished. I'm gonna take a bite here. I'm gonna switch it. Give me one sec, guys. Jobins, thank you for sticking with us here. The creamy potato soup only took 4 hours. I hope I'm looking at the camera just because I don't usually film it in the selfie method. But, you know, it's just me at the house right now. I do want to show you guys what it looks like with some bacon bits in there. Oh, yeah, that cheddar cheese and that cream cheese that's in there, Jobins. The potato, too, of course, and the onion. Great mix together. I'd highly recommend. Super easy to do. And it's going to be about 4 bowls that I made with everything that I had. You can always make more with more ingredients. Jobins, thanks so much for watching, guys. Creamy potato soup. Super easy to do, and I highly recommend. Have a great day, Jobins.